I'm turning 50 this June. I had experience as a musical theater. Yung pinakaunang ko exposure is in Teatro Dignos, which was the Daragang Magayon and Stigmata Dance Theater. And then after that, there's Simon Way. I had a chance to work with Chilling Desiderio of Miss Saigon and Kokoy Laurel. And then there comes Anil po sa Tao Kang Salo, Gading, and Isaiah. Indie film naman po, marami na din akong mga pinagdaanan na indie film, yung Pilgrim Lovers, Mercedes Cabral yung nakatrabaho ko, Alex Medina of Angustia under Direct Christian Cordero, and yung latest na indie film ko is Kahero. Tapos, yun po, ang talent ko po is dancing, singing, yung po ang may duda ko. Bahay kubo! Kahit munti! Bahay kubo! 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 Kahit munti! Bahay kubo! Bahay kubo! Bahay kubo!